Figuring out when to buy and when to sell US30 is extremely difficult, but in this video, I'm going to show you a very simple breakout strategy that can lead to 1,000 to 3,000 pips per day trading. All you have to do is stay to the end of this video. Before we get started, if you guys want to learn how to trade from me, check out the link on this video or click the link in the description. I have a forex course that is great for any beginner trader. I also host live trading sessions where I trade US30 live every day, and I also have one-on-one mentorship. And hey, look at the screen. These are some of the students that have taken my one-on-one mentorship that recently got funded with $200,000. If you want to be my next student, make sure you click the one-on-one mentorship package and book a call with me, or just send me a message on Instagram. And one more thing, if you guys could show some type of love, like this video, drop a comment below, subscribe if you aren't already, and check out some of my other videos that I posted on my channel. I have a ton of videos based around US30 and just trading videos in general. Now without further ado, let's get into my computer. Alright guys, I'm going to show you a very simple strategy for breakouts. I have not been using this too much, but it works amazing. And you can use this on US30, NAS 100. We're actually going to go on NAS 100 after this, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So overall, what I'm looking for is a specific trend reversal, but I want to overall find the trend first. So we can see right here, we are in a downtrend. This right here, let me mark this up. This box right here is our Asia session. Then from 12 a.m. right here to the end of the beginning of the New York session, this is our London session. So a lot of the time I'm going to get feedback on what's going to happen on what's happening during the Asia session, then the London, then I look at the beginning of the New York session. So I'll look at these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles right here, and this is going to give me a ton of feedback. Now I wanted to confirm that we were in an uptrend right here. So what we can see is the market's going down and lower, but then we start to see it push up. And what we're waiting for is a break of structure to confirm that we are going to push up. So all that I'm doing is I'm literally getting a trend line like this, and I'm going from the previous higher high or lower high to the next lower high and extending into the future. So if price is going to reverse, we're going to see it, how it bounced off this, and notice how price hits it, but it doesn't reverse and keep going down. It hits it, and then it actually starts to close above. So once we see a bullish candle close above, this is our significant candle right here that's really giving us confirmation that's going to push up, is this bullish candle right here. Once this candle then breaks this trend line, we can see that a breakout is imminent, meaning that it is for sure going to happen. So right after this bullish candle, look at how price starts to go up. And then right at the market open, 6:15, here's all the opening of the market right here. Let me show you this. All these 3 candles right here, this is from the market open, just pushing up. So we can see even before the market open, our trend was then verified as we're in an uptrend on this specific candle right here. So very, very important. Now let's go and find another example. And I'm usually looking at the market open for this. So we have our 6:30 candle right here. A lot of traders were probably hesitant to go long because they saw this candle and these 2 candles. Notice how it's going a little bit lower. So same thing, all we're going to do is grab our horizontal line or trend line, click it right here to this high, and then this high, extend into the future. And what we're waiting for is a candle to close above it. Now this is very important. We need to specifically be looking at the body of the candle. This filled part right here is going to give us a confirmation. So notice how the body of this candle, it closes above the trend line right here, really giving us confirmation it's going to push up. And what happens? Boom, this candle right here in particular closes above it, and the next 2 candles have a really nice push to the upside. Okay, that's what we're looking for. It's really simple, and the same thing for a downtrend is the same thing for an uptrend. Okay, right here we can see the same thing. Now this point, it's interesting because we don't have too many candles. We just have this high, then a candle, 2 candles after that one, extend into the future. Here is our validation candle right here, giving us a validation. Look at how the body of the candle closes above. Boom, the market starts pushing up. And usually when I'm looking for this, my stops are going to be below the previous low. So I just have my stops right here. If you were to have held it longer than this, you most likely would have been stopped out right here on this low or on this low right here. So it's important that you have your take profit point designated before you're actually going into this trade. Now let's go back and see if we can see another one. Okay, this could be a valid point right here. We have this one, and all I'm looking for is these highs to the next high. And then boom, here's our confirmation candle. Bullish candle closes above it, right into this next zone right here. Just flawless. Like, this works so amazing, and this is overall giving you the trend direction. So the cool thing about this is you don't have to rush this. You just have to take your time and wait for that candle to close above. Excuse my sniffles, guys. I am a little sick right now. Once again, all we're doing is going from this high, extending into the future. Boom, breaks above it. Here's our validation candle right here, breaks above it. Also rejecting the 20 EMA, giving us extra confirmation. So we're looking good there as well. Now let's go to NAS and see if we can see it on NAS as well. All right. Looking on NAS right here. So this is how we would do it in a downtrend. We have this low and then this other low right here. Notice how this candle in general, it closes below it, and that's our confirmation candle. Price starts to then drop down. Okay, I'm usually looking at the previous market open. So right here, it's kind of hard to see. I wouldn't use this zone because it would be up. When we're looking for it to go up, we want it to be pushing down, the line to be pushing down. So what I would do is I would get this line, and all I'd do is go from this wick to these wicks right here and wait for the breakout candle. We can see right here at 6:30, here's our breakout candle right into the following zones. Okay, right here, this is Wednesday or Thursday, but it is choppy. I wouldn't have traded that. Wednesday, here's Thursday. So once again, we would go right here to this high. Then we have like this high right here. Here's our confirmation candle. Once this candle closes, buy by market execution right into the next zone. This kind of can be valid if we use these wicks right here. Once this candle closes above it, buy right there, right at the market open, boom. So this really does work. This is how you guys are going to be able to catch the breakouts. What I would do is go back and back test this. And all you need to do is go to this replay bar right here, go to the day of your choice, and then boom, start back testing it. So if I were to look at it in previous time, 6:15. Here's our bullish candle. Then I'm going to mark it up, just get my trend line like this. Okay, the trade is valid. I'm looking to go long now, low and buy my market execution on this trade. Right into this next zone right here. Stops. Let's have it below this low right here. Play it back. There we go. TP hit. So that worked right there, baby. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Got some type of value. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out, guys.